sunglasses.
You spent $40 on those?
Yeah, probably.
Oh.
Already at least one scratch in. But it's maybe not from today.
That's why I don't spend more than $10 on sunglasses.
Yeah.
I have a good.
But cheap shit is still shit.
And very cheap ones for the beach.
I'd rather want to spend 3-4 times the money and keep them 10 years, but therefore I have to deal good with them, deal well.
And then when you drop them on accident, you wasted $400.
Or I won't pay 400. These are maybe the first sunglasses in my life I bought myself. I always got some spare ones.
So you must fail.
Yeah, no, there's a really big plane one.
I didn't see it.
It's right in the center of the wave. Must be somewhere around there.
So you must fail over and over and over and over and over in order to succeed.
I think I failed already.
That's what all people think.
I know that every time could ever happen. What happened to me?
That's complete rubbish. There's far too much. Even if you live a long, healthy life with many mistakes and many succeeds, you will never have the opportunity to do all mistakes people can do. Huh?
Well, how many people live this life chasing their career and chasing other people's dreams and not their own? If you want to succeed and be happy, you have to do what you love. And once you find what you love, then you find how to make money from it.
I'll go up to the top.
And that's how you find happiness. Not by chasing your parents' dreams, or your coach's dreams, or your teacher's dreams, or anyone else's dreams, but your own. Because then you spend 40 years working a job that you hate, trying to make money to be happy, which it will always fail. The happiness will never come. Vaulting?
Vaulting?
Then you must do it. More and more and more.
What the hell is vaulting?
Well, then what you do is you get a farm and a bed and breakfast and then you get your horses on the farm and then you build your own vaulting course. No, not in Germany.
But I don't want to live anywhere else than in Germany.
Oh. Well then, that is a clash that you must find to be able to overcome if you want to do vaulting.
What is vaulting?
It's riding horses around
No,
and
it's, gymnastics on horse.
gymnastics on horses.
Wollte ich Skifahren. Die hat, glaube ich, mit dem Kreis und dann macht Übungen drauf.
Am Pferd.
Nein,
Oder
das
mögen
ist
das.
doch nicht. Das gibt es.
Woher weiß man das?
Ich weiß es heute nicht kommen, weil es bei uns voll verhaftet wird.
You didn't know she was a world famous vaulter? Is this the top? No.
No, I think you can go. But the problem is that the weather
The
is
weather?
not that good.
Oh, okay.
We will have the same view on the way back.
How much further to the top, do you know?
I don't know.
Oh,
idea.
did you
To
go
the top?
to the top?
Yeah.
How far?
Maybe 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yes.
Should we go?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Merci beaucoup.
What the hell?
Yana? Almost. Maybe 5 more minutes, maybe. Yeah, no, we're here. It's almost been 45. Let me see. There's a flag right up there. Right there, I see a pole right up there. It's not that far. Come on. You got it. That's got to be it right up there, that flag, that pole.
Probably.
That pole right up there, you can barely see it with the fog.
Yeah, I can see it.
Look, we're in the clouds, dude. There's the pole right there. Yeah, but that's not. But that one's a different one up there. And it doesn't look like it goes any higher than that. We're so close. Water? Look, we're in the clouds. We've been to the mountaintop. You have a hole in your lip?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not that I meant when you're drinking water. Get the squirrel suit. We could make it down in 5 minutes. Hey, Anton! Hello.
Hi.
We made it. Holy moly. Up here. Which one you want? Apple, plum, banana, bar?
Everything.
Everything.
See ya.
See ya.
Enjoy. You.
is it? 2:25. We started at 11:50.
So I got 3 hours.
3 hours. Nice. So we made a 4-hour trip in 3 hours.
That took us actually back. It's crazy.
You gotta keep it moving. That's all you gotta do. Keep it moving. I'm glad I didn't bring a jacket. It's not cold at all up here.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Should make it more clear when you're ironic. Good that you said it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Always cut towards your body, otherwise you never got to see blood.
We should just go down that way. No, thank you. We'll never make it down.
We have 5 hours to get down.
5 hours to get down before it gets dark.
Before the 8 hours.
Oh yeah. We'll get down in 2 hours. I'm gonna go down there and go have a coffee, hang out. Wait.
Try to go down in 1 hour and either make it in 1 hour or never arrive.
Yeah, true. Maybe I'll plant an apple tree up here.
All that I can see is just a stupid apple tree.
Gestern Ohrwurm von mir.
Hm?
Ich hatte gestern einen Ohrwurm von
We should have brought more lettuce.
Gestern.
More lettuce.
Oh God. I missed exactly this feeling. I didn't know that I urged for a lemon, but I did it.
Lemons are lemons are really good for you. They provide lots of energy. Put it on the lettuce. It's even better.
Eat it completely.
Eat the peel and all. I should have brought more lemons.
When I came up here, I wanted to be first. I'm always if I like consider it to be the right thing or not, I'm always competitive. I decided that I would be the one to be first up here, and then I felt really bad, but I decided I want to make it. And I thought, if I stop now, I'm not going to go on. I felt so bad, like fever, like and throwing up. And I thought, even if I lay down now, I'm so sick.
Would you
I
like
won't
some
be
lettuce?
good, and now I'm so good. Yeah, a bit.
Just take it.
This much.
Sure. I eat this. You made it.
Woo! We're here. What a view, man.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely worth.
Have you ever asked yourself how a cloud looks like from the inside? Is it a cloud or is it fog?
It's a cloud.
Looks more spectacular when you're flying. It's still special. It looks like there is no world behind. This is it.
This is all there is.
What else can I eat?
Well, lettuce. You can have it. We have some more bars. Oh, we have chips.
Chips, yeah.
Doritos.
Also so ein Stück, so ein Doppelstück oder so wäre richtig viel, glaube ich.
I have cashews too. Sorry. Let me get them.
Now the junk food session starts. After the lament and feeling better comes the addiction.
I eat everything.
Oh, chocolate? May I have a piece? Oh. Thank you.
Alice?
Yeah, chef. Thank you. Would you like some cashews? That chocolate is creamy.
Next time we buy chocolate instead of chips. Next time we buy chocolate instead of chips.
Chocolate.
Ich wurde in Heidelberg geboren, aber ich habe kaum Erinnerungen mehr dran. Ich habe die meiste Zeit in Berlin gewohnt. Meine Cousins
But
sind
it's
in
not
Freiburg
yours.
aufgewachsen.
That's Anton's.
Dann
So may I have a small piece?
Amerikaner
Hm?
und gerne auf Deutsch. Woher kommst du eigentlich nochmal aus
Nürnberg. Nürnberg.
Deutschland? Nürnberg.
Wo seid ihr her?
Frankfurt.
Freiburg.
Versammlung von Süddeutschen hier.
Hm?
Do you have a southern German ancestor in family?
I think so. I have a little bit of everything.
I think his surname is like Rush, but it's with OE, so like maybe Rush. Maybe it's a German surname, I don't know.
I was told it was.
Yep.
But that was like 300 years ago or 200 years ago. Or probably just 100 years ago. Or maybe 50. I don't know.
Something
Whenever-
between 30
whenever my-
and 500.
Whenever my grandparents came to America from Germany and Ireland and France or wherever.
I think it should have been after Columbus.
What's the cashew?
Want more?
Give her some. She's hungry.
Nein, nein, nein. 2 Stück mehr voll gut. Schokolade schon was, ja.
Oh. Cashews?
No.
We ate it all.
No, it's alright.
Those cashews are good. We have more apples too.
We need to eat everything now, right here.
And those things. Your favorite.
Thank you so much.
Scott is in good shape today, I see.
I haven't even sat down yet.
like a magician.
Like
Yeah, just a little backpack, and there comes out. Oh, and now we have dinner. Italian risotto.
Would you like some carrot?
One piece. Sorta. Like a real man.
Was machst du morgen, Anton?
Du auch?
Fährst du morgen nach Nelson?
Don't know. Wenn ich Pläne mache, dann passiert sowieso immer was anderes als die Pläne, also lohnt sich nicht, Pläne zu machen. I'm not making plans anymore. I'm more dealing with ideas.
Scheiße.
Maybe the clouds will disappear for a moment.
Just a middle-sized hut with clear water.
In a septic tank.
Much different food. Many books.
Leather-bound books.
Some music instruments,
You have to have leather-bound books.
and then a gondola brings me down to sail.
The sun is coming out. Can I have a small piece of the banana? Just a small piece.
Mach's aber wieder falsch. Boah, es geht auf. Mein Ernst geht auf da.
Go Ninja. Coco Ninja.
Clearing up.
10 more minutes.
Do you both study in or live in Freiburg?
I'm from Frankfurt and I just finished school.
No, I do
How old are you? Did finish school or?
1 year ahead. So
The gap year?
2014 I finished school.
Oh, okay.
Then I did kind of orientation studies in Berlin, at the Technical University, and did lots of sailing. I think many people miss doing nothing sometimes. They're so busy they never have the time to do nothing. Oh, there.
I'm not doing nothing.
I didn't talk about you.
Nothing.
Maybe you should do nothing for a while.
No, it's good. I mean, nothing. Travel around.
It's probably really hard to do literally nothing. To not be in hurry and not have a main obsession for a little while.
Except when you climb the mountain, you have to hurry. Right? We made it in 3 hours. Nice.
Stupid.
No, it's worth it. You see, we could have done it faster. I knew we
You
could.
definitely, yeah.
Yeah, we could. But I think it was just alright for.
I did yesterday the track on the other side, the
Mhm.
Robertson Point track.
Down the valley towards the glacier, France Glacier track
Yeah.
Which track did you use?
Robertson Point. It's on the other side.
with the bridge,
Yeah.
the
We
footbridge.
did
Yeah.
part of it, yeah.
Yes, I did it to the end, and I had luck with the weather, so I saw the glacier very well.
Yeah,
Almost all.
it was raining on us a little bit, but it was really nice to walk. That was the longest bridge I'd ever been on.
Yeah.
It was so long.
You did it also yesterday?
Yes.
No, yesterday.
Did we? Oh yeah,
Yesterday in a valley track.
that's right. Look at this bee. Oh, he's in your shorts.
How do you call it? Bumblebee?
A bumblebee.
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 Oh, like bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Yeah, like the Transformer. Yeah. Transformers. That's why he's yellow. 'Cause he's a bumblebee.
I don't know him.
You never saw Transformers?
Only little pieces, and I made fun of my brother because he watched it. What's going up on there?
How old are you? Are you not the age for Transformers?
I don't know. Maybe I am the age for Transformers, but not the type. Or I didn't figure out because I never really watched it without a prejudgment for it. I thought, oh, what the hell is happening there?
That's idea for a movie. It's some cars.
That Frenchman said 45 minutes, and it took us like almost an hour.
I told you, you went down the hill.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You wanted to challenge us.
You said we'll make it in 30, and then and then you stopped for like 10 minutes, and we waited for you.
I was so disappointed because it was going on and on and on. But maybe that's good. Bring you to your limit.
I think it's clearing up, maybe. Probably not, probably not, but maybe.
Oh,
For 1 minute. I just want to have
You can see the river down there.
awesome. I think 1 minute would be totally enough. I figured out when
10 seconds. I just
10
make a
seconds,
picture.
yeah. More cashews?
Thanks. Maybe later on.
But the French guy didn't continue.
I need to stop this.
I really rarely in my life felt so well on one place. Just
Mhm.
being there.
You consider your glasses
Don't scratch them.
It's okay, they were only $10.
Machst du Gap hier zurzeit oder? Ja. Sehr ähnlich wie was ich noch übrig habe. Fliegst du dann wahrscheinlich direkt nach Deutschland, oder?
Ich chill dann noch. Ja, schon relativ chill noch eine Woche in Sydney oder so.
Sehr nice. Ich überlege noch, ob mir noch einen Stopover einzurichten oder zu verlängern. Das eine kostet 100 Euro, das andere 200. Nicht der günstigste Vertrag in der Hinsicht.
Wann geht dein Flug nochmal?
Sydney zum Beispiel, also ich glaube, oder Sydney, Perth, Melbourne. Melbourne habe ich gehört, soll schön sein.
Ja, Dienstag. Also ich weiß nicht, Sydney ist halt so
Sydney ist eine richtige Großstadt. Melbourne ist eher kleiner.
Hm?
So.
In Sydney kann man halt 2 Tage chillen und dann war's.
Ich finde es halt ganz geil, so selbst wenn man dann da halt nur so ein bisschen Urlaub macht oder chillt, wie du sagst, dann hat man wenigstens mal so einen kleinen Einblick von dem Land gesehen, anstatt nur durchzufliegen.
Wie lange ist das?
Ich würde, je nachdem wie es geht, ob ich da extra nochmal ein neues Visum brauche, vielleicht 2 Tage oder eine Woche.
Du musst vorher ein Visum, also das ist ein kostenloses Internetvisum, du musst dich anmelden praktisch, bis du hinkommst.
Okay. Lang mit Vorlauf, oder?
Nee, geht voll schnell.
Ja. Ich wollte jetzt eigentlich die...
Mach es nicht, mach einen Stopover in Bangkok
Danke.
oder so. Oder in
Ich glaube als Stop...
Singapur.
Ja, ich habe halt angefragt, als ich gebucht habe, da habe ich lange hin und her überlegt, ob ich weiter studiere in Berlin.
And it's getting so cloudy.
I sat for so long.
No.
I didn't even sit down.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
It's okay. We only have 4 hours to go. Back down.
What can we eat for dinner?
Pasta again.
Rice. Oh no, no pasta. Not for me,
We have
thanks.
no more.
Pasta and curry. Or Anton can make us some
It is
curry.
possible to
Yeah,
eat,
make some
to
curry.
make
Yeah.
pasta and curry together. Would be possible to make it so that it is okay, that it's maybe enjoyable.
We
But
have curry.
I don't want it tonight.
Okay.
Tonight I want something where I know I like it.
Okay.
It's not that I don't like pasta, but I don't know. If you just eat pasta and tomato sauce, it's like just munching yourself up with wheat flour.
We could do pancakes.
Pancakes again. With peanut butter and jam. Are you ready?
Would be negotiable. Yeah, we can work on. What's this operation? Oh, whatever.
You ready?
Yes. Ich meine, wenn ich da was hätte runterfallen sehen, dann wäre es doch jetzt
Das
recht.
ist so viel Spaß.
Marn, ja.
Unsinn. Rubbish.
Wow, we were all the way up there? Or we were up here?
I don't know, in the clouds.
Somewhere.
Somewhere in the clouds.
The glacier is really looking not so bad.
Or good. Or neither. The glacier
It is looking good.
The glacier is as
But
it
the
is.
glacier itself, it's not so. Whoa! New Zealand, the best place, but together with this, with the trees and
I want to come back
The
in
valley.
winter when snow
It's
is
all snow. Yeah.
come back. You could just stay here, would be
Yeah,
easier.
maybe I can book my flight from Christchurch. Why not?
Ich glaube, es ist eine Art Bach oder was. So sieht es durch Fernreich nicht aus, Kinder. Also. So.
Did you see it?
This one?
At
A
the
little
very
bit
top, you can see it right there.
Der ist so eine Stadt.
Oh, this one!
It's so big, yeah. That one.
I want the binoculars back.
Das ist auch nochmal eine Stadt. Die kannst du nicht so runterkennen.
Sicher nicht. Siehst du, dass es sich bewegt?
Nee. Kannst du nicht.
Das ist jetzt